Hi there, welcome back to Channel W. I just got this kit of resistors off of Amazon. It has over 600 resistors and it cost me under 10 bucks. I think it was like 8, I'm not sure, I don't remember. So let's take a look inside. It comes with a chart for reading the resistivity on the markings on the resistor. It'll even tell you the expected tolerance for each type of resistor you got in here. So if we start looking through some of these, I've got a pack of 0 ohms. Those aren't going to be useful to me today. And I've got 10, 20, 47, 100 ohm, 220, 470, a kilo ohm, 2.2 kilo, etc. So let's start at the top, these mega ohm, 1 mega ohm resistors, and we're going to measure them to see how accurate they are. So I'm going to put my multimeter in the right setting for reading ohms. Alright, and let's measure the resistivity. Alright, looks like on this one we're getting point. Wow, why does it keep going down? Is that because of my fingers? Yeah, I think my fingers were going through my body was less resistive than this resistor. So I got 1.005 ohms resistance. And for these ones, if we look at them, brown, black, black, yellow, brown. 100 yellow is going to be, so 100 times 10,000, that gives me a million. And then brown says the tolerance should be plus or minus 1%. So we got 10.004. Let's take a look at the calculator and see if we have 1 times, well, this is obviously, I don't need to do this, 1.01, it was 1%. Then yeah, we've got 1.01 mega ohms, and that is within the tolerance that these are rated for. Let's look at another one now. Let's look at these 470 kilo ohm resistors. I'm going to get about 472 kilo ohms. So if we look at what these are rated at, we've got yellow, looks like yellow, purple, black, orange, brown. 470, yellow, purple, black. Orange times 1,000, so that would be 470 kilo ohms. And again, we have, what was the brown, so plus or minus 1%. 470 kilo ohms times 1.01, then yes, that is within the acceptable tolerance for this resistor. Let's look at a lower resistance one now. Let's look at, well, let's say 47 ohms. We again have yellow, purple, black, gold, brown. So again, the yellow, purple, black is going to be 470, and gold is 0.1, so 470 times 0.1 gives me 47 ohms, which is exactly what it says. And then the tolerance is again brown, so it's going to be plus or minus 1%. So if I measure this, I need to change my settings. So if I look at that, I get 47 exactly right on the nose. That one's perfect. Let's look at another one. This one's 47.1 ohms. So yeah, these are definitely within tolerance still. And let's look at the 10 ohms here. Brown, black, black, gold, brown. 100 times gold, which is 0.1, which gives me 10. So yes, those are indeed 10 ohms. And then brown is our tolerance, so again, plus or minus 1%. So let's measure this one. Interesting. I'm getting 10 point... I'm getting a lot. I'm not sure how much is just my tool. Okay, 10.4 ohms. So that is actually going to be a 4% error. That's not within the tolerance. I don't know how much of that is just due to my probes here. Okay, it looks like I have 0.2 resistance between my probe. So we still then be at 10.2. These ones might actually not be within the rated tolerance. That's interesting. Let's look at another one. $10.7, 10.4. Okay, that's interesting. Well, that's all I have here. I hope that was informative. See you next time.